In this video, I'll show you how you can move the cells and rows in Excel. Now first what you want to do is you want to head over to your Excel, and once you have it open right here, you need to select the cells or the rows that you want to move. So let's say for this one I want to move the last names right here. What I can do is I can simply press on C and it will select the entire row just like that. And then what I can do is I can put my mouse on the green line here. And as you can see, my cursor will change. And then I'm simply gonna drag wherever I want it. So if I drag it here and I let go, as you can see, it has now moved to the D instead of C. You can also put it over here. And of course, there's already data here, but I can replace it if I wanna, or I can simply just move it here. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.